So today I'm going to show you how to draw the anime lines on your picture in only a matter of seconds. But first we're going to edit this picture to give it the anime look. So we're going to start by decreasing the highlights, increasing the shadows, whites. So this is increasing the dynamic range, just going to make it look like a cartoon. There we go. We're going to change some of the blue and a little bit of split toning. So just like that, our picture looks like it was hand drawn. As you can see, this was shot with my phone. And before I forget, we're going to increase the luminance to give it that painted look. There we go. Much better. This is how you give it that kind of painted look or brush stroke. Anyways, for this new thing, we're going to open Photoshop. So edit in Photoshop, edit with Lightroom adjustments. And this is the new and improved way of creating the anime lines. Now, it's not as good as doing each one manually by hand. In fact, I prefer doing each one by hand, but with this method, you can actually get it done really, really quickly. And I think people would much prefer it. So this is what you do. First, you're going to make a copy, background copy. Next, you're going to go to Image, Mode. This only works in 8-bit, so change it to 8-bit. First, make sure this is set to black over white in your colors right here. Now go to Filter, Filter Gallery. We're going to choose Photocopy. And let's just fit to view. It will look something like this, which really, you just have to choose how much detail you want in your picture. For example, something like this. Maybe 4 is fine. All right, so these are the outlines that are going to come out in your picture. You can increase darkness however much you want. I think 13 is fine. Now press OK. Here you're going to go to the blending modes and choose darken. And now you can actually change the opacity to however you like it. Something like that. But really it's up to you. Anyways, this is a different way of doing the anime lines for your photo. I still think it's better for you to hand draw each one. It'll take much longer, but it'll be much cleaner. However, if you want the effect quickly done, this works just fine. And yeah, if you like this video, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, all that stuff. I'll see you around.